Greetings from Daytona Vintage. Today we're going to demonstrate a Matsushita ShortWave radio. It's a portable, operates on 4 C-cell batteries, and we're kind of in a remote location, so I've tested this. We can get a few channels in. Here, I'll give a demonstration. Go ahead and turn it on. Control's a little scratchy, not too bad.
Occidentales y afectar así tanto la capacidad de crecimiento del fabricante chino como la de financiarse para presionar todas las producciones y de la alta tecnología. Algunos analistas han advertido que
okay, that's on the shortwave band, and now we're going to go over to the MW band.
Honestly, there was nothing that I'd seen from Rob Gronkowski when I was there, and this is what this
able to get help from them, and so the Central Florida International Trade Office was created to be able to help the people who...
And there you have it, a little demonstration of the Matsushita ShortWave radio.